In this video we will learn how to get directions in Google Maps when we don't have access to the internet. For this, we can use offline maps. Imagine I'm traveling to a specific country, for example Albania, and I cannot use the mobile data because it would be very expensive. So we can download the map of the area that we need. I'm going to pan the map to find Albania, tap on the country name, then I have to move these tabs to the right, go to More, and now choose Download Offline Map. Then you can adjust the area with your fingers and choose Download again. OK, now suppose I am offline. In order to search for any places, I have to load the map. We can do it by tapping in the profile picture, and then there is the Offline Maps option here. Then I need to choose the map, and in this case is the option Map 2, but because later I wouldn't remember which map is this, it's better to rename it, for example to Albania Map. Save it. And finally I tap the map to open it, and tap again here. Now the search and navigate will work offline in this area. But don't worry if you cannot see anything properly in the map, because what's actually stored in the file are all the roads, the street names and places. So if you search for directions, as long as they are in Albania, I'm going to place a destination here, the map is able to find them with the right intersections, so you can use your navigation even without internet. However, you will be limited in some things like the live traffic, public transportation, and maybe some business details. Now you can find more tutorials about Google Maps in the description of this video, and you can also click in the playlist here in the screen. Thank you and see you next time.